this video, I would like to show you how to upgrade this 12.1-inch ProFlash HMI display from CCFL to our UB54 series LED kit. This kit comes with the one wire adapters, which is one end connected to this end, the other end connected to the existing inverter horns, one L strips, one drivers. Let's set that aside, take a look at this model. It's made by ProFlash. The model number is kind of long. It's a 3280034-04. Okay, it's a touchscreen, 12.1-inch. There's a lot of screws. I removed some already. So basically, you just move this cover out, the metal covers, and in order to upgrade LEDs. So this model is very easy. Get covers out. Alright. See the backlight already, inverters. So there's a couple more screws we need to take it out. Okay. Now, this is the inverter, this is the backlight. Okay, so first we're gonna take the inverter out first, well, the wire first. Okay. Okay. This wire. Oops. Okay, take it out. Okay, then we're gonna take out this. It's fairly easy. You just, there's one screw holding the backlight assembly. After you unscrew the screw, you just push this side, take it out. Okay. Just screw that all the way. Yeah, see that? Just push it, take it out. See, the lamp is here. So basically, you just take it out and put it right back. All right. So perfect. Okay. I have already done one of this because it's a flat, so it's very easy. You just peel it off, put it in, just like that. After that, you make sure it's clean. Yeah. You see all this stuff. Okay, it's clean, and you just put it back. Again, there's a latch, just be careful, you put it in the latch. Slides right back. Okay, now we move a wires. I'm gonna take this one out. Okay. Let's take a look. The drivers. Driver, we should mount it like this. Yeah, I think I should mount it this way. So that way there's a screw. We're gonna add a couple of tips, just cover it, just in case that, you know, this one touches it. But this is blind anyway, but just in case. You never know. Okay. We're gonna probably use one of these tips. Okay. Yep. 6.0. Yep, this is the one I want to use. Okay. Put it right there. Nope. Wrong one. Put it this side. The reason I want to put this side, show you. You put the one screw, peel off this tip, stick to it. There we go. And this one. Yep. Perfect. Put the screw on. On this side. Yep. Just connect to this side. And usually we get a piece of tape here to secure the wires. I have a tape here. Make sure the wires stay here. Alright, so now we're going to use this wire adapters. One end connected to this end. The other end, just connect your existing wire harness. Yeah, just like this. Okay, no problem. Okay, first thing we're gonna put back this one. Then we're gonna put back the back covers. Oops. Yeah, that's good. Well, this one should be a little bit. I don't want to block in the tip switch here. Okay. Oops. Sorry, drop the screw. And then you can put all the screw back. See how easy it is? Thank you for watching.